friends, welcome to Beauty with Karah, where we talk about all things beauty. Today we're going to be doing a unboxing and review of Shein. Okay friends, so I'm going to be showing you some stuff I got from Shein. I've never ordered from this place before and they're not sponsoring me, but I do have a discount code for you down below, so go check that out. I did do a Just Fab review a couple weeks ago. You can check that out up there. But we're going to Punta Cana this week, and I needed some bathing suits because all my bathing suits are like 10 years old. So I went on Shein because I saw a bunch of things on there, and I saw people like review that as well, and I wanted to check it out myself. So I haven't actually opened, like I opened the bag, but I haven't opened the stuff yet. So this is gonna be me trying. Well, hello there. Okay, bye. So this is gonna be me trying this for the first time for y'all. So I have no idea the quality. I have no idea if it's gonna fit or not. So we're gonna find out. So what did I get? Let's find out. So I did get 2 bathing suits and 2 dresses for our trip because I love dresses. So I can't buy bathing suits and not dresses. So the first thing I have here, look how cute that is, actually. This is a bikini. So this was actually Ron's favorite. So I obviously had to order his favorite. So it is, wow, that's really big. It is this. Is that gonna fit me? I don't think my boobs are that big. So this is the top. We're gonna find out if this actually fits. And here's the bottom. These are supposed to be high-waisted, so I only get high-waisted nowadays. So I thought this was really cute on the person in the thing. So I guess we'll find out. It's really stretchy. These actually might fit me. The top might be a little too big. We'll see. Alright, so there's one. And then this one is super cute. So this has, let's see. It has the white, it's a white top with like the twisty bottom, so that's cute. And this has a little bit more support, so if you're looking for support. And then the bottoms, let's find the bottoms first. Again, high-waisted, little cute pattern. What side is it? Alright, so these are the bottoms. I love these. And then this one actually came with a cover-up, which, well, I was between this one and another one, but the other one didn't have a cover-up, so I got this one. Ooh, okay, so this goes with that. So this is just a cover-up that matches the bottoms. And then, let's see here. So this is one of the dresses. So I'm going to try these all on for you, but I wanted to show you first. How does this work? Okay, so this is a dress that's like tied at the top, like where the neck is. So there's that. Oh, I love flowers. Can you tell I like flowers? As you can see, everything I buy is flowers. Literally. Alright, and then the last dress is actually not technically flowers. Oh, there's some flowers on it, sorry. But it's more like palm leaves. This is super cute, but it does have some flowers on it. Wow, this is huge. I don't know if that's gonna fit. So this is, so I got all mediums. That's what oh, maybe I got large. So it did say, I'll have to check, but it did say that it was like smaller, like on the smaller side. So I think I might have gotten a large, which might have been a mistake. So I'll tell you in a second if that's true. So this is the other one. So let me go try those on, and let me tell you what size I actually bought. I usually wear a medium, so it'll explain if it's true to size or not. So yeah, let's go try this stuff on. Okay friends, so the first thing I tried on was this dress with the palm leaves. And I was right, I did order a large because on the website, the measurements were like, I should be a large, you know? Which I never actually order large, I usually order medium. Because I think their measurements are always wrong. So it doesn't look too bad, but it is a little big, like here. It's definitely right here. The midsection isn't too bad because I do like it a little looser. I wish this did pull in a little bit, which I actually might just tuck it in myself because I can do that. So if you're looking for tighter, I would definitely go down the size to like your normal size. Their measurements, maybe not. So I think this is super cute for like, you know, the beach. If you're gonna put it on top of like a bathing suit, I think it's fine. I wouldn't wear this to like a gathering. I would literally only wear this to the beach. So it's cute. It's just a little big, so, and it's not the most flattering dress on me. So dresses usually need to come in like this and go out to be super flattering, but this is what it is, and it goes down to like right here. So it's not too long and it's not too short. So it goes almost to my knees. So yeah, so that's that. So let me put the next one on. Okay, so this is the next dress. So this is the one that goes around the neck and it has like a bow. You could probably like leave it low. So again, this is a large. It is loose a little bit, like a lot of it, but I mean, it's a nice beachy kind of dress. If you want it tighter, go more true to size. Again, it goes about to my knees. So it's really cute. It's beachy fabric, so it's not like any super fancy fabric, and I mean, it's not bad quality. Like, I've had worse. Like, if you go on wish.com, they definitely have super bad quality stuff. It's not see-through, so that's nice. Again, something like if you're at the beach or if you're going to dinner after being at the beach, something super cute. Again, it's not super flattering because I probably will put something around like that. I think that would make it super cute. So put like a thing around it. Yeah, probably gonna do that. So I'll probably go get a belt and do that. So other than that, I think it's super cute. I like it. You know, for like $10 of what I've spent on it, it'll be just fine. So if you're looking for like a cheap beachy kind of dresses, definitely, I mean, I think it's worth it if you're looking for like $10 beach dresses. If you're looking for something fancier, definitely not go to Shein or Shein. I don't know, how do you pronounce that? Let me know down below because I have no idea. Shein or Shein? Alright, so I'm gonna try on some bathing suits. I'll be right back.
Okay, so this is the first bathing suit, and when I first put it on, it was a little weird because the top was a little wide and the bottoms didn't come up as much as I wanted them to. But when I was wearing it in Punta Cana, I found that this bathing suit was a lot more comfortable than the other one that I ordered because it didn't have any clasps and ties and stuff like that. I did wish that the bottoms came up a little bit more. They aren't as true to the high waist as the other ones were. So I did like the bottoms of the other ones better, but I definitely liked how comfortable that this bathing suit was.
Okay, so here is the last bathing suit, and it has a more high waist to it, which I really like. I like when it goes like, you know, up here. The top is really cute because it has a clasp in the back, and then this has this little tie as well, so it ties in the back, and then this little cover up, which is actually long sleeve, which I did not know that. I didn't realize it was long sleeve. I thought it was short sleeve, but it's still cute, especially when you're like covering up from the beach. And then I got these earrings because I needed $1 more for free shipping, so I got these earrings, and they're like, it's like flowers and bees, and it's a hook. But they don't come with backs, so if you have extra backs, you might want to use those. So for $1, they're pretty cute. Okay, so I pretty much like everything I got. I think that first bathing suit was a little weird with the top. It was like super wide, and I felt like it didn't look like that online. The dresses were super cute, but again, like the top was a little big. So if you're getting a swimsuit, I would definitely recommend getting a size that they recommend you getting, which happened to be a size larger than what I usually am. So just go into their measurement chart and make sure you're just doing your measurements and finding what fits for you. For the clothes, especially the dresses, I think your normal size should be fine, unless you're looking for like the baggy kind of loose fitting stuff. which is what those dresses are. The dresses do fit a little weird. If you're bigger on top, it might not be so bad for you, but it definitely did not fit right up here for me, especially with that one dress. So yeah, so do I find that their stuff is high quality? I think it's all right for the price. It's definitely not bad quality. It's definitely, you know, gonna hold up for a while, but I don't think the fit of some things is as good as it could be, which is fine because, again, I spent like $10 on each thing. So, you know, if you're looking for cheap clothing for the beach or the summer, I definitely would recommend Shein. But if you're looking for something super high quality and that's gonna last and fits really well, I think you're gonna have a harder time finding something than going to something else. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to see more videos like that, make sure to let me know down below, and make sure you go check out my other unboxing and reviews up above. And that's all I have for you today. So make sure you like, subscribe, and hit that bell button for more videos every Thursday. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next week.